Hai, my name is Tara Syafira Zanjabila, NIM B10211911134, Class Management C, Faculty Economy and Business. So I want to explain to all of you about the education system in Indonesia. More precisely, what factors are causing the quality of education in Indonesia is still very low compared to other developed countries. First is the application of the education system in Indonesia, which requires students to understand and be clever in all subjects. As Albert Einstein said, everyone is a genius, but if you are judged a fish by its ability to climb trees, the fish will live in a whole life believing that it is stupid. I really like that quote because that's what needs to be applied in a mindset of student. The student feels stupid because the education system that requires student must learn it all. If the education system of elementary school have group students divided into science, sport, and art classes, surely many people will be more successfully in the future. Second, Indonesian education system that trains memory instead of understanding concept. In fact, Ki Hajar Dewantara himself once said that the person who memorizes it is like an amnesia, because they will quickly forget what they learn. This is why most students do not know what the subject matter is being learned for their lives. This is the task for teacher to explain while in the class that in learning a subject matter do not focus on memorization but towards understanding concept. Third, lack of learning about ethics and discipline since childhood. Here, I will take the example of education in Japan, where students in Japan can only take the subjects test if they are in 4th grades or 10 years old. For 3 years, they were not judged how smart their knowledge was, but they were focused on learning etiquette. Teachers do not preach the importance of being honest, but rather discuss the consequence. In learning these moral values, there are no memorization and written tests. I can say these three things because I, as a student myself here, feel it was the one that had a big impact on my life as a student who feels that the current Indonesian education system. Sometimes I feel very disappointed with the environment around me, where sometimes I find chilling behavior on students that indicates a lack of discipline and honest ethics in students who continue at the level of education in college.